What is going on today, guys? The Creator here, back with another video. And this video is a little bit exciting because guess what? We get to take this and this to the track. Let me walk over here in the shade because it's just, this sun is beaming. I'm just gonna crouch down. But yes, I am so excited. Like, I figured out everything that was going on with it. Well, not everything. To be honest, the 98 Mach 1 is still kind of iffy, but we gonna work with that. Also, the 6 Fox, it went through so much. Like, I literally got it fixed today. So, let me tell you, one of the spark plugs was messed up. It ended up having a crack in it, and I ended up breaking it off when I was trying to get it. A plug wire was messed up also, so I had to replace that. Right now I am on I think it's a 2003, maybe 2001, somewhere around there, Ford Focus wire for a 3.0. So it works, but I'm so happy because now I get to finally clean them, and I get to finally hopefully get it down the track and run some good times. Let's go ahead and get these things cleaned up nice and right, and hopefully everything goes well tonight. And we off. And I must say, I know you can't really see, but my car looks so good. Can't really tell, but it looks really good. Look at that thing. Okay, yeah, let's get back to focus on driving before something happens. Well, we're not at the racetrack. We're at a gas station. Yeah, the racetrack was closed. I don't understand why it was closed. It's just, they was closed. So we drove by it, no lights was on at all. So, I mean, they say they have it every Thursday. Don't know what happened. Today is Thursday, right? Okay, yeah, today is Thursday. I looked on the website and it said this was the event that was happening tonight. Drove all the way here, nothing. But at least now we know that both the cars will make it. How long was the drive? Was that?
Not very long.
Not very long?
No, I mean, about 35-40 minutes.
Was it fun?
Going slow.
Well, I gotta be a good leader, so, you know, I didn't want you to get lost. Even though I'm pretty sure you had your own GPS on, didn't you?
I know where to go.
Okay, yeah. She know where to go. She been here a couple times. But yeah, we just gonna go ahead and go home because can't do anything really. Unless me and you want to race. You want to go?
No.
No. Alright, well, I guess that's about it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Maybe next video we might be going to the track. I'm not sure. But we're going to try again next time. Right? Alright. gets caught up with it. Such a shame. I told you it's a slow 6er though, so oh well. Well, right. What'd you do?
It's ready for you to pay.
I didn't even see how much it was.
17 something. No, 19.29.
Now we at McDonald's. About to eat what? Some McRibs.
McRib.
If you haven't had a McRib, you need to try one. Because
With extra pickles. Pickles are good.
pickles are not good.
I can't help but with dog videos.
Oh God. But yeah.
Can we get another?
Not right now.
Better wait next time.
You tried.
And I will succeed.
You did with Nala.
Succeed again.
But yeah, guys, this is probably gonna be it for real this time because there's nothing else that we can really do but sit here and talk unless you want to watch us eat.
I just want to sit down.
It's down?
Yeah.
So you can't make milkshakes either?
I can't make videos.
Okay. I guess you go get your money back. Come here for one daggum thing, a milkshake. And they won't get $2 an hour.
Ice cream machines always down at McDonald's, but yeah.
I've been here. But at least I'm getting my McRib, so I'm not that mad.
I didn't even know what the hell it was. But yeah, let me go change this oil or get me a Sprite or something like that because I need to drink something. So, all right.